Hello friends, welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful snack called as prawn canopies. And to do that, it's very simple. Let's go and start it. So friends, to prepare these canopy snacks, we'll be requiring a pastry sheet. This is what is easily available in the market. So here I've got two spreadsheets. So I'm going to open them. So now we're going to cut into 4 different pieces. We're going to make 4 squares of this. So now we're going to take a muffin tray over here. I've got a muffin tray and I've cut into the sheet into square pieces over here. I'm going to brush this with the olive oil on both the sides. And once you brush them, you just place it in the middle over here. And we're going to make a center. We're going to take the depth and just try to make a base over there. And lay the flower outside. The cover will be looking like a flower. So this way how I'm looking to get it. And same we're going to do all of the other sheets and do the same. So friends, this is ready now. I have to bake this on 180 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. Depends on every different oven how much time it's taking. Make sure that you stay next to the oven. It doesn't take long time so that you don't overburn this. Now let's take some prawns, add some salt as per required. A little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to take one lemon and I'm going to use the lemon zest on this. Just scrape it using a scraper. As you see, I've used only half of the lemon zest. Make sure that you use only half. Depends on the portion. I've got like 8 to 10 prawns and half of the zest. Or else if you use the whole, it might just turn into bitter. I add a little bit of chili powder. And now let's mix all this well together. And to prepare the topping, I've got here finely chopped carrot, cucumber, capsicum and a little bit of green chilies. Green chilies are optional for yourself. Now let's put all this in one bowl. Now I'm going to squeeze half a lime. Add some salt to taste. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And few drops of Tabasco sauce. So in a frying pan, let's take 2 tablespoons of oil. And now let's fry the prawns. As you know, the prawns doesn't take long time to get fried. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes if you're frying. And that is a perfect range to fry the prawns. So friends, our prawn canopy baskets are ready and this is how it's going to look, the baskets. And all our prep also is ready. So let's go and prepare the canopies. So friends, to make this canopy basket complete, I'm using little bit of rocket leaves. You can use salad leaves if you want to. Just place it first. And then we have the mixture of fine cucumber, carrot, chili, pepper and mayonnaise. We place a little bit on top. Then our second prep was ready, was the prawns. We take and we just place it on top. How does it look? So friends, if you like my recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, God bless you all. And as always, my final word to say, adios.